Hello everyone. So today, so cold day, now it's winter in my area. I want to try to make udon. So make with hot pot. Making hot pot chicken dumpling udon. I'm gonna try to make it. Okay. So using chicken breast. So I'm gonna chop and making dumpling. And make a soup. Use kombu, and this is dashi flavor flake. It's ago dashi. It's kind of like Katsuobushi dashi flake. I'm gonna try to use. This is ago dashi. It's a little bit different, good for the soup. So I'm gonna explain some text on my channel. So you better check it if you want to buy that one. So you can buy some Japanese grocery store out of Japan. The name is Hondashi or Ago Dashi. And this is my favorite shiro dashi. So using daikon radish and hakusai, Chinese cabbage, and egg. So eggs making chicken breast dumpling with starch. This is a kind of like glue with good dumpling making. Okay, and a little bit flavor ginger. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Making hot pot chicken dumpling udon. I'm going to try to make it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, this is a hot pot already inside 1 liter 1000 cc water and kombu in, then high flame. So after boiling, we just put in the dashi flake. So try to make chicken dumpling. Ginger, kombu, dashi flake in, green side leaf. It's a good item. much. Egg. Little bit pepper. Dashi. Soy sauce. Just a little. Each skin. Good flavor. Shiro dashi. Mirin, little bit mirin. So for udon, this one is very easy to make a dried udon. Udon has two different kinds of udon. One of more soft fresh one, and another one is a dry one. So I'm always keep in my stock. It's very easy to make udon. This one is a little bit thin type of udon. It boils so fast. Half boiled udon. Check. Perfect. Okay, let's start it. Hot pot, chicken dumpling, udon. Yeah. So hot. Rich flavor from chicken dumpling. See? So, please try this kind, chicken, dumpling, hot udon, I really recommend. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bye.